Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna shoot today my 1 million doll. Come on, just do it. First, I'm gonna open it and show you. And this is Star Besties. It's from Baby Alive. I like it. I'm gonna open it, then I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Let's open it. Okay, I see a Caesar there. I'm gonna open it. Come on. Look, I got Caesar. Come on, let's start it now. Come on, let's see what accessories she has. Come on. Look, I'll remove her all accessories and her. So I'm gonna show you her accessories and her. Let's see. What she have in her bag? Let's see. This is a sticker. It's like book, it's opening and closing. And this is a passport. I'm gonna show you. Look. She has a heart on the top and her face. I love it. I'm gonna show you her bottle. Her bottle is very cute. This is her bottle. It's not opening. It has just a handle and it's that. And a mini small cone. Let's comb her hair. Look, she has colorful hair even. She has pink color, blue color, and her one little star rubber band. Why star? Because she's Star Besties. And she has star shoes, star skirt. Oh, her skirt remove also. And her t-shirt. I like this all. See my new doll. It's such a pretty. Mwah. I love this tiny mini Star Bestie. You can see Baby Alive movie also. There's Star Besties in it. I love it. Oh, I forgot to show you her t-shirt. Whole t-shirt and her pants and her pants. Shoes are not removable. Oh, I'll remove her skirt and look how she is second. I love her. I love Star Besties. Star Besties is Charlie's friend. Love Star Besties. If you love